How are you? I forgot your name.
Bert.
Bert.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
We're gonna head to the sorting room.
All right. So how long have you been doing this?
So I've been working here for almost 5 years.
Yeah.
So I start on the front here and then, put me on the back here. It's fun, I like to try new things. So I'm happy to,
You like your job?
Yeah, I love my job.
That's good.
I like to be a part of, in the mountain, to help other people.
Do you have any children?
I have 2 kids.
Yeah.
And only 2 girls. So 9 years old and 6 years old. So I'll be part of my care. I want a boy, but
Yeah.
it's a bless to have a kids and take care of them with a wife and family. I'll be happy to be here. I'll be appreciate whatever in the mountain gave it to me, to be a team lead and try to be a good example for the other worker. So I try to be help out and do my best and learn from my mistake and learn from my go move forward, stay positive.
Sure. Well, that's great.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
I just appreciate in the mountain. I can looking back where I came from a small island, and I'm be happy. I'm be proud to come here and have an opportunity to, work, and I appreciate what they gave it to me, and I try my best to help other people that we're talking about.
Well, it was fun. It was fun and it was inspiring, actually. It was really inspiring, particularly what he said about opportunity. And I think sometimes those of us that maybe take some things for granted, even living in the United States, having a good job, and just the opportunity to do that, it was inspirational to me to hear that, because I know it's true, but I forget it too many times.